Hello again. This is lesson 3 of chapter 3, and still we are discussing some common suffixes. The next suffix is graph, and graph means instrument used to record. So in the previous slides we talked about gram, which is the image or the record. What produces this image or written record? It is a machine or an instrument. So here we describe the machine or the instrument by using the suffix graph. All right. So it means instrument used to record. The first one, cardiograph, and cardi, I think we took it before. Cardi means heart and graph instrument. So you start with the meaning of the suffix. Instrument used to record what? The heart's activity. All right. The next term, electrocardiograph. Here you see the word is a little bit long. That's why we have two roots here. See, we have two roots. The first one, electro, and the other one, cardi. And of course, we have a suffix graph. The meaning of electro is electric, from electricity, electric. And cardi, heart, the meaning, instrument used to record the electrical activity of the heart. See, the electrical activity. So this is the difference between this one and the previous one. The previous one records the heart activity in general, but here specifically the electrical heart activity. Let's see the pronunciation.
Cardiograph. Cardiograph.
Electrocardiograph. Electrocardiograph. Electrocardiograph.
Now, page 40, we have graphy, suffix graphy, and it means the process of recording or the process of producing images. You see here, if you compare this to the previous two, the first one was gram, then we have a graph, and this one graphy. See, the first one was what? What is the meaning of a gram? It is the written record or the X-ray image. Graph is the machine, the instrument that is used to produce the image or written record. And here, graphy, it is the process of producing the record or image. Now, let's look at the first term, cardiography. Cardiography, cardi, heart, and graphy, process of producing. Now the meaning, process of recording or producing, whatever, process of recording the heart's activity. The next term is of two words actually, but the first one is, this is English, an English word. So it is easy to know the meaning, and it is related to computer because this is computed. And in pronunciation, actually, I couldn't find the two words together, but what is important is the second one. So in pronunciation, you will find the second one. So computed tomography, tom means to cut, and graphy means the process of recording. Now, the meaning is a bit long. That's why I am referring to your book. So please look at your books, page 40. The second meaning, so computed tomography. An X-ray beam rotates around the patient, taking multiple images of an organ at different depths. The information is computed or computer analyzed and converted to a picture of the body part. Now, what does this mean? Maybe if we look at the two figures below, if you look at them, figure A, the person, the girl who is lying down on her back, and there is a machine rotating. Look at the arrow, rotating, going around. So the machine goes around the body of this patient, and each time it gives an X-ray beam, and then it records it. So many beams, many times the machine sends beams to the body while rotating, and every time it sends a beam, it takes a picture. So it will be multiple pictures in this case, multiple images of the patient. And because it rotates around the body, it will give a 3D image in this case. Now, these, let's say, images are analyzed by the computer. That's why it is computed here. These images are analyzed by the computer, and then the result comes. If you look at the figure at the bottom, as you can see, all right, which is figure 3.4. Okay. So this is what is meant by computed tomography. Now let's see the pronunciation.
Cardiography. Cardiography.
Tomography. Tomography.
Page 41. We have again the suffix graphy, but we have three terms. So the first term, mammography, and mam, now you know the meaning of mam from previous slides. It means breast. So what is the meaning of mammography? Process of producing images of the breast. The next term, myelogram. Myel, again, we took it before, it means spinal cord. So the meaning, process of producing images of the spinal cord. The next term, radiography. Radi means X-ray, radiation. Maybe you have heard of this. So it means X-ray. So the meaning of the full term is process of producing images using X-ray. Now maybe the pictures you have in your books, page 41, maybe they can help you understand better. Now let's see the pronunciation.
Mammography. Mammography. Myelography. Myelography.
Radiography. Radiography.